I got a head start on Lab 4 by using a component-based physics body system. The idea is that each physics body will have an array of the physics components, which are in charge of modifying the velocity in a single specific way and using a shared reference to it to apply it each frame. Components inside the array dictates which component gets applied first.
For the trajectory itself, I have an initialize method, which takes the angle in degrees and the initial speed, and calculates a starting velocity based on those parameters using the cosine and sine functions to model a curve. Every frame, the object's x velocity increases linearly because we're not modeling drag in this lab, but the y velocity is exponentially decreased by half the gravity force over time.